What's going on, everybody? This is Gaming Panther 101 here, and welcome back to another episode of Marvel Future Fight. So, we are going to bounce right into it, guys. But before we do that, I want to show you guys the team. The characters that I already have. Check it out. Let me turn it up a little bit. And that's pretty much it. The rest of them is normally just 1 stars, and yeah, pretty much that's it. Alright, guys, we're gonna bounce right into it, guys, to story missions. I haven't tried my hands on the Black Order yet, which is Supergiant, Proxima Midnight, and Albany Man. I haven't tried them yet, so we're gonna try them right now and see how good they are. We're going to start as soon as I pick a friend. We'll team up with Grant Ward's Luna Snow. Let's do this. I also want to thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. I only have like 6 or 7 subs, but at least I'm entertaining 6 or 7 subs. So we're gonna bounce right into it. Yeah, you do that while I roll just like that. Alright, there we go. We'll start more down. By the way, if someone walks into my room, it's kind of my siblings. Yeah, like someone's about to walk into my room now. Okay. Alright. So in this episode, we're going to see how well the Black Order does. I never actually tried them in contact. So, if you guys know, and if you guys don't know the Black Order, they are Thanos' best men / women. The the whole Black Order is Albany Man, Corvus Grave, Supergiant, Proxima Midnight, and Black Dwarf. However, in the movie, Supergiant was not in the movie. So, I don't know why she wasn't, but I got reasons. Yo, chill. Well, I didn't have to do nothing. Yeah, and they also can get experienced in story missions. They have to be, in order to level them up, you have to use other characters' biometrics, like Iron Man's and all that. That's stupid sometimes. I think that's stupid, but yeah, this is a little bit too easy. So we're gonna step it up to this. There we go. Alright, let's keep on going, and maybe I might use my, I'm going to use, Agent Venom this time. He's a lot more lower then the enemies we're gonna go up against. But he's not gonna be doing much. He just stays around and help for like 10 seconds and leaves. But yeah, we're going to use him, I hope. Alright, so... Oh, so we got Dr. Octopus to fight as well. Yo, chill. We're going to use Super Giant now. We're going to close it up a little bit so you can get a better view. And here we go. I don't know what she just did. I need to see what she did. Dodge rate increase and mind damage, something like that. I forgot to read it. Yeah, let's go. So it's mind damage, okay. Because she's kind of like a mental parasite. Here we go. Ah, shoot. I totally forgot about him. We're going to use Agent Venom now. Please be useful. Where'd you go? You want to deal with you first. Okay. That's my dad. Don't worry. Get that off my screen. Okay, here we go. Okay, guys. So we're gonna keep on going and see what the rest of the Black Order can do. We tried Super Giant. We tried Albany Man. It's time to try Midnight now. Right. So we're gonna use Sharon Rogers. And now, hopefully, Kingpin is a little hard because I'm expecting a challenge from him. Alright, let's see what Midnight can do. I never actually tried out these characters. So what can I do? Okay. Okay. Okay, so she's immune to webs, so that's good against Spider-Man. Because Spider-Man can stun you with his webs in this game. Ooh, she can also throw 3? I mean she was, but ooh, finally. I like that. I like that. Yeah, that's pretty effective. That is too. Okay. Maybe in the next episode, I'll take on a world boss. I don't know which one though. I don't know what she just did, but it was effective. Okay. Alright, so let's see what Sharon Rogers can do. Well, basically, she's not doing nothing because I kind of helped a little bit. Yeah, I pretty much helped her. Let's keep going, I guess. So mostly this gameplay is mostly going to start the Black Order. Pretty much. Taking on enemies. We're going to keep on going. Okay. So, since we tried out all of the whole Black Order, because these are the only two I have, we're gonna try out Wolverine, I guess. We're gonna use him solo in a story mission because I want a challenge. Like, come on, give me a challenge. You guys ain't giving me nothing. And because my they're kind of stronger than them Evil War, so. What the heck? Why do you keep dodging, man? Hello, help here. Okay. Oh, whoa, 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 chill. I gotta admit, even though that Albany man is not a fighter, I heard that he's a planner, not a fighter. He still fights pretty good in this game. I don't know why he just stopped like that. Okay, there we go. Didn't we already beat him? I hope we're not doing these missions over again. Man, I don't need no help. I got this. Well, she helped me anyway, so. Alright. You know what? I think it's time for us to step up the challenges a little bit, because they are a little too easy. So we're gonna step up the challenge just a little bit. Who we gonna? Let's see how strong Venom is. He's 38, so we're gonna beat him. There we go. We're gonna take on. Please move out of my way. Okay, we're gonna take on Red Skull, because it's on normal now, and if we go that way, it'll be hard. You know what? F it. We're gonna take on Ultron, and it's hard, so we're gonna be getting someone with us. Someone coming with us. Sorry. Joker Pro. I have a lot of friends, as you guys can see. And we used Carnage, Joker Pro. Alright. Alright. And Venom's with us as well. Cool. Alright, let's see. Oh yeah, they're a little bit harder to kill this time. Ish. So I'm gonna quit using him. I like that staff though. Look at that. That's so graceful. Okay. Get away from me. That's pretty impressive move right there. Alright, let's keep going. We're gonna use Supergiant now, even though I'm not a big fan of her. I probably might be a bigger fan of her if she was in the Infinity War movie. Oh, let's zoom in for a little bit. But she wasn't, so. Ooh, cool. I hope the boss is a little bit harder than what we have to go through. we're gonna use Proximonite, because we already use Albany Man a lot, and I'm not a big fan of Super Giant either. I only got her because I think she's helpful. Who cares? Oh, okay. That's cool. Yo, chill. Okay, so he wasn't that hard, as you guys can tell. And I was just running away from him. So we're going to step up the challenge a little bit, and we're going to go back to home. And we are going to use Wolverine, one of my favorite superheroes of all time. Okay, so we're going to get rid of you, and we're going to use Wolverine. As you can see, Wolverine has 4 stars, 2 red mastery stars. I think he's a pretty cool character, I really do. We're gonna go to Epic Quest, because I like for my missions to actually have a reward. So I'm guessing we're gonna go against Storm, I guess. Yeah, I guess Storm, whatever. Okay, so she's on 20, and Wolverine alone is strong, literally, because he has healing generation. But it's normal like that. So, and it's hard like that. So, I'm guessing we're going to take Storm on at level 45. Might be a little difficult, but I'm guessing it's worth it. 45, so we're going to get an ally with us. We use a Black Panther, I guess. Alright, so I'm only doing this because I want a challenge. The story missions, they're not giving me a challenge. Hopefully Storm can give me one. Alright. Alright, Wolverine. Here we go. Yeah, Wolverine's just clawing him up right now. Where's that healing? Is he healing? I saw him heal a little. Oh yeah. He heals in compact. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, that's really cool. The more damage he takes, he just literally just heals instantly. I like that. Yeah, 5% recovery of HP. I like that. Wolverine's awesome. I love him. I really do. He's one of my favorite superheroes. Okay. Let's keep going. Alright, it's cool. Dang, he ain't showing no one mercy. Alright, so this is gonna be, hopefully this is a little difficult. But if it isn't, then we're gonna take Storm on by ourselves. Let's do it. I was not meant to do that. So I'm only using him because I don't know. I don't care. I mean, she's gonna die either or because of the bleed thing. Oh man, no he ain't. No. Okay, there we go. Aggressive by Wolverine. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this gameplay right here. I think it's a great gameplay. I think it is. You get to see the Black Order work together. You also get to see Wolverine take out Storm by himself. I mean, technically not by himself, but you know what I mean. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the gameplay. If you did, smash that like button and also leave a comment. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel. This is Gaming Panther signing out. Until next time, guys, take it easy.